This is a website made by Canva. And this is a custom URL for my Canva website. So it really looks like a single-page website, with a Spotify playlist embedded and hot linking to a subscription page. So let's compare it to the old website beta for a moment. In the old version, the web beta had web styles. 4 to be exact. There was presentation, scrolling, classic navigation, and standard. When I did make websites with the old web beta, I used scrolling for the parallax animation. In the new beta, you can't really do a parallax. But in the new beta, a lot more of the changes outweigh the need for that feature. In the old web beta, you'll notice that the URL is still Canva's domain, and you would essentially have your site added as a page. In the past, I've done a URL masking redirect or a bit.ly link. So I'll show you what's new. So click on Publish as Website. You'll see no web styles, just a checkmark for making it resize on devices and a way to edit. You click Continue and you can edit the favicon, site title, a place for site descriptions, the ability to make it password protected or hidden from search engines like Google. Now, let's make a quick website. Maybe for a candy shop that'll have a Valentine's Day special. Let's set up some guides and a pink background before setting up a full-blown image. We'll create a hero splash image at top. Let's use the letter frames to test out load time and insert videos in them. I'll speed through this a little bit. Looks good to me so far. Next, we'll mock up a Valentine's Day special treats page, contact us plus store hours page, and then a footer. I'll speed through this as well. You'll notice we can expand sections now to different sizes. Here I want to embed a big map. Now footer and our mockup is complete. Okay, now, let's go through the preview and the options. This is probably the only thing that bugs me, is that there is no option for the videos to repeat. Like when you code a site and use an SVG to mask, you can make videos loop endlessly, which is great. Would love to see Canva implement that. So let's go through options. You have 3 of them. The one we'll use to publish is the first one, but I will take you through these other two bottom ones first. You can purchase a domain through Canva. Type in what you want, and they'll tell you if it's available or make suggestions if it's not. I find that Canva's pricing is a bit more expensive, and I have no idea if there are moving fees for domain transfers. The other option is to connect your domain. You can see that I've previously connected a domain to try and test it out. Canva allows up to 5 domains to connect with CNAME and not just a masked redirect. I can go through that process another time. Now then, going to the first option, a free domain. You'll have a little bit of a different setup the first time around. Warning, you will not be able to change your subdomain to the Canva site account. Currently mine is demo by Z. The rest of Canva's URL address. You'll notice that the site will have a slash after the main domain. Let's edit it to be more than just /suites. I'll do candy-demo-page. Next, I'll change the name of the page, and if I have a 280 pixel by 280 pixel favicon, I would upload it there. Fill in a description for search engines like Google. But since this is a demo, it won't matter, but just to show you that's what'll be viewed if the pages are crawled and ranked. Next are 2 checkboxes. One is for adding a password, which is good if it's a private site. Another is to hide the site from search engines. Maybe it's a demo site like this, or it's for something personal that you don't want the search engines to pick up. I'll check the hide option. Now we'll publish. Yay, the site is now live. Everything is working. Those false buttons for the specials could be hyperlinked, and the Google Map location works well. Wish there were more ways to embed items. So one thing to note, when you do a free Canva site, it is Canva branded, whereas if you have your own domain it won't. So that about sums it up. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I might do a live video slowing down the process of how I make Canva websites where we do a Q&A. Let me know in the comments down below, or if you've got some questions about Canva's new web beta.